Hello, hello! Today I want to show you my favorite alongside duck approach that nobody ever taught me. It's this one. So normally when we do duck approaches and it's alongside, you're being told that you're going forward, and then you need to kind of figure out when your bow is very close to the duck, and then you need to steer away, and if you fuck it up, you hit the duck very hard, you don't have good visibility, if you're short especially, and if you're short-handed, it's gonna be a nightmare, like to run forward, do the bow lines, or you need somebody at the duck to help you. This method requires nothing other than one person lassoing and one person doing the duck, which could be you as well doing everything. We're doing a reverse approach into the wind, into where we want to end up with the stern. In our case, that will be the middle bollard. Now, it doesn't matter the angle you're coming in. If you're coming parallel, that might be a little bit sketchy, for instance, with the duck this side, so you can come even with an angle to this side. You just need to lasso that stern line and then slowly drive forward on it, or just let the wind push you. All right, and this is what we're doing here. All right, we're just bringing this corner as close as we can to that. Okay, he's already in neutral and drifting. Okay, forward, Zach. Yeah, she lassoed and back to neutral, back to neutral. We just gave forward to stop our backward momentum. All right, now get ready with the fenders. Okay, and we're gonna let the wind push us. See, this is the point that is touching the duck right now. Very sketchy duck, that's why we have fender. Beautiful, slowly, gently on the forward. Okay, and now look what I want you to do. I even want you to go back to neutral again, because I want that kick to be as gentle as possible. Okay, ooh, turn the helm to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Great, great, great. Now we want to let that line stretch. Whoop. Now you can give more power in forward. Okay, gentle, gentle. We don't want to cause a big hit. Great. Now we want to push the helm away from the duck so that our stern comes closer to that spring point. Right, we're moving the helm over there so that our stern goes over here and comes closer on this spring point. Now, if the boat is not responding, you can give a little bit more power, yeah. You do everything gentle in phases, and look how beautiful the entire boat comes closer to the duck. So pretty much in any scenario that I need to do an alongside approach, I would much rather do this. I'm coming in with a really controlled speed while reversing. If something bad happened, it's very easy to go forward after you went reversing. I have really good clear view, and I don't need to rely too much on my crew to do this. I can do this all by myself, single-handed. You just need to have good fender position, nice and gentle approach, and good conditions. I would always prefer to do it against the wind. That's why it could be either the starboard side or the port side. I will just switch. And if I cannot do this approach, then I will do the other approach. That's why it's important to know all types of approaches. Okay, with the wind, against the wind, long side, going forward, going backward, going all this, right? We can detach and do another round with the other person. Great job, great job, great job, everyone. Woo! Great job, yes. And if you want to come do some sailing courses that are doing a little bit different than the normal curriculum, more focused on your goal, more focused on practical stuff, but also not just ducking. Yes, this is important, this is what you want to see on YouTube, but this is not the most important thing in sailing. Crew safety, paying attention to other people and what they're doing, so that you can deliver your crew safely from point A to point B. And also learning how to enjoy this is very important and often left undiscussed. So if you're keen, stay tuned, and I will share all my knowledge every time I can. And I'm doing courses in Croatia, so if you want to know more, check my website, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.